activism for the planet just got a whole lot more fun.
I'm reducing CO2 levels in Patagonia!
Welcome to the brand new world of the Tinggly Activist. Tinggly Activists are helping save the planet in an exciting new way. And what's more, they're having fun as they do it.
We're improving the air quality in Uganda.
By giving a Tinggly gift box, not only is the recipient having fun and enjoying a truly amazing experience, they're also helping to actively save the planet.
I'm removing plastics from a river in Bali.
It really is a win-win situation. When you give a Tinggly gift box, here's what every Tinggly activist is doing in the fight for the future of the planet. They're actively helping to remove 33 pounds, that's 15 kilos, of plastic from the environment. They're helping offset every Tinggly experience's CO2 footprint by a massive 200%. Plus, they're supporting the installation of trash traps in the rivers of Bali. What's not to love? Having a whole lot of fun while saving the planet. Why not make someone a Tinggly activist today? Tinggly, give stories, not stuff.